Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change your Yahoo mail password. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, access yahoo.com on your browser's search section and get to this homepage, and make sure you're logged in as well. Afterwards, go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner, tap on this option called account settings given below your name, and now you will find this kind of interface over here, including overview, personal info, security, and recent activities options. Right, go ahead, tap on it, and then if you scroll down you will find this option called looking for something else, including change password option. Go ahead, tap on it. Now here in this section, what you will do is simply gonna go ahead, enter your new password. Go ahead, tap on the suggest strong password, tap on this use password option. Now you have got yourself another password, and then you tap on this continue option. Your password is now updated. You can see now you can go ahead, tap on this update option, and this Google save password as well. Your password is changed out, right? So you can see that your new password is now active. You can see this is your account health if you want to, or tap on this maybe letter, and you can see that is the way for you to change your password easily for your Yahoo mail. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.